How to set up and use Tor Browser on your Android device. So for that you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. So let's dive into the process. First of all, you have to download the Tor Browser for Android. You can navigate to your Google Play Store or the official website of the Tor project and search for the Tor Browser here. After searching for the Tor Browser, here you can see that you have to install the Tor Browser on your device and wait until the installation has been successfully completed. So here you can see that the Tor browser can't be installed on my device. After installing the Tor browser, here you have to launch the Tor browser app here. And you will be greeted with a positive screen. Tap to connect to the Tor network. The app will automatically route your connection through the Tor release. Here you can see that. You can just go for the connect option here and you can enable this. Once connected, you can start browsing the web anonymously. You can start browsing the web. So you can use the browser like any other, but remember that some websites may be slower due to the Tor encryption and routing process. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.